great white shark, tiger, stingray, lion, giraffe, dolphin, turtle, sea lion, anglerfish, marlin, lobster, starfish, hippopotamus, penguin, cheetah, zebra, greenfish, elephant, red crab, tiger shark, shark, hammerhead shark, great white shark, octopus, zebra, starfish, crab, lion, cheetah, shark, elephant, marlin. Marlin is a clownfish. Hippopotamus, sea lion, stingray, red lobster, octopus, hammerhead shark, dolphin, tiger shark, penguin, great white shark, giraffe, greenfish, great white shark, tiger, turtle, anglerfish. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye!